Hello guys, so I took a tour to a pig farm and I'm going to be sharing my experiences. I learned a lot in this pig farm. I got to know a lot of things about pigs. And don't mind me, I keep calling the piglets
9
children.
Months. This big. At what age before they will start giving birth?
9 months.
9 months they can start giving birth. Wow. This one should be up to 3 years.
Huh?
This one should be up to 3 years.
No, 3 years what?
How old is this one?
You're young.
This big? That's male and female. She looks pregnant. She pregnant. This is the female now. Is this one that is the female?
No, the black one. Look at the sweet now.
But the male too. They also have nipples and breast. Okay. This is mother with her children.
Beautiful. You may keep going clean.
Very true. This one is lying down as if is she pregnant? It's lying down as if.
They will get the email.
This one is definitely pregnant.
One interesting thing I learned about pigs is that if they give birth and you have to feed them all the time. If foods are not available with them, they can likely eat their piglets. So the mothers must always have food around them.
They don't bite back?
No, don't bite.
Okay.
Huh?
And pigs, they can eat anything. They can eat from stone to tree to wood to whatever. They eat everything. Very economical and easy to train. You just have to make sure that they are comfortable, and even their feces too, they sell them. So it's a win-win situation. This kind of farming, it's very, very lucrative.
Looking for, okay. What happened? Is it a male? This is female, right?
Yeah, female.
How come? What's that swelling there?
No, the only one that survived. One female survived.
So
and they have, each of them has his own nipple to feed from. So she has the one has to be feeding on that particular one.
Is that how pigs do?
That's how pigs do. They have it one has to get.
Okay.
When they are rushing, you rush their own.
Another thing also I learned about pigs is they give birth, their piglings that suck on their nipples, they know their own nipples. So if they give birth to 5, those 5 they know the one that they suck from. If they give birth to 1, that one will keep sucking from one particular nipple. And there's a piglet like that.